In this video, I will show you how to get a briefcase token in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device. And once you've opened up the app and you're logged in, you'll see there's actually an event going on at the moment called Wall Street Wonders. Now, one of the prizes for this is actually this briefcase token. So you can see this is one of the prizes here. And to actually go ahead and get this token, what you need to do is basically roll and land on the spaces which have this little icon here. So of course you can get more of these by increasing your multiplier, but you just want to keep going through and picking these up, and you're going to get different rewards, like for example dice and Monopoly money. And one of the rewards when you actually get quite far into the event is this briefcase token. So as you can see, I'm at 305 out of 475, so I need to get another 170 of these tokens. So what I would do is go around and keep rolling the dice until I land on these spaces with the tokens. And once you land on a space with the tokens, you'll be able to go ahead and get the briefcase token. So that is how to go ahead and get the briefcase token in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.